These are the top headlines. Let's get into the details. PM Narendra Modi, during his visit to Silvassa, Dadra and Nagar Haveli, expressed his views on the region's growth and development. He further stated, today Silvassa and this state are getting a modern identity. It has become such a city where people from all over the place live. The cosmopolitan mood of this place shows how new opportunities have been developed here, and that too at a rapid pace. Dadra and Nagar Haveli, Daman and Diu are not just duties for us but our pride and heritage.
और आज हमारा सिलवासा ये प्रदेश एक आधुनिक पहचान के साथ उभर रहा है। सिलवासा एक ऐसा शहर बन चुका है जहां हर जगह के लोग रह रहे हैं। यहां का ये कॉस्मोपॉलिटन मिजाज ये बताता है कि दादरा नगर हवेली में कितनी तेजी से नए अवसरों का विकास हुआ है। साथियों, इसी विकास अभियान के तहत आज यहां 2,500 करोड़ रुपए से ज्यादा की अनेक परियोजनाओं का शिलान्यास और लोकार्पण किया गया है। इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर, कनेक्टिविटी, हेल्थ केयर, एजुकेशन और टूरिज्म, यानी एक प्रकार से हर क्षेत्र से जुड़े ढेर सारे प्रोजेक्ट इस क्षेत्र के विकास को और गति देंगे। यहां नए अवसर पैदा होंगे। मैं आप सभी लोगों को इन परियोजनाओं के लिए बहुत बहुत बधाई देता हूं। और आज
PM Narendra Modi arrived in Surat, Gujarat, where he was warmly greeted by the people. During his visit, PM Modi launched the Surat Food Security Saturation Campaign, aimed at enhancing food security in the region. He also distributed the benefits of the National Food Security Act to over 2.3 lakh beneficiaries. And during that, more people in Surat will have access to essential food resources. Gujarat Chief Minister Bhupendra Patel and Union Minister C.R. Patel were present at the event, where they felicitated PM Modi for his efforts in improving food security in the region.
અને હસ્તકલાકારો દ્વારા બનાવવામાં આવેલ આ સુંદર જરીકામનો ખેસ અર્પણ થઈ રહ્યો છે। આવો આપણે પણ ખૂબ તાળીઓ સાથે આદરણીય પ્રધાનમંત્રી શ્રીને કરીએ અને સાથે જ સાદેલી કલાનું ઉત્કૃષ્ટ સ્મૃતિ ચિહ્ન સુરતની GI ટેગ ધરાવતી આ હસ્તકલા લાકડાની પાતળી લાકડીને ગોઠવીને અદ્ભુત ભૌમિતિક ભાત બનાવવામાં આવે છે। આ સાદેલી કળાનું સ્મૃતિ ચિહ્ન ખૂબ ખૂબ સ્વાગત, ધન્યવાદ। અને હવે વિનંતી કરીએ છીએ મંચ પર બિરાજમાન સર્વે માનવંતા મંત્રીશ્રીઓને કે આપ સૌ પણ સાથે મળીને આદરણીય પ્રધાનમંત્રી શ્રીનું સ્વાગત કરશો। સર્વે માનવંતા મંત્રીશ્રીઓ, ગુજરાત રાજ્ય સરકાર જેઓ માં અન્નપૂર્ણાની વુડન પ્રતિમા અર્પણ કરશે। અન્ન બ્રહ્મા રસો વિષ્ણુ ભોક્તા દેવ મહેશ્વર। સ્વયં મહાદેવજીને માતા પાર્વતીએ અન્નનું મહાત્મ્ય સમજાવ્યું અને ભગવાને ગ્રહણ કર્યું એવી દંતકથા દર્શાવતી આ સુંદર પ્રતિમા। અને હવે વિનંતી सर्वे माननीय धारासभ्यगण ने।
Tamil Nadu is set to launch 100 pink autos in Chennai on Women's Day. These autos will be exclusively driven by women for women, aimed at enhancing safety and mobility. The initiative is designed to offer secure transport options in the city, with each auto equipped with GPS and linked to local police stations to ensure safety. This move is part of the Tamil Nadu government's effort to improve women's access to reliable and safe transportation. UP CM Yogi Adityanath praised the leadership of Prime Minister Modi, stating that under his guidance, Kashi has been transformed. He mentioned that the wait of 500 years is finally over and now people can go to Ayodhya to worship Lord Ram. He emphasized that significant work has been done to make Ayodhya one of the most beautiful cities, similar to the transformation seen in Kashi. Yogi Adityanath further assured that Braj, which includes Mathura, Vrindavan, Barsana, Gokul, Nangdan and Govardhan, will also undergo similar transformation. He highlighted that there is no limit to the funds allocated for the development of these sacred places.
आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री जी के नेतृत्व मार्गदर्शन में काशी की कायाकल्प हुई है। अयोध्या में प्रभु रामलला के 500 वर्षों के बाद विराजमान होने के अवसर पर अयोध्या को त्रेता युग की तरह फिर से सुंदरतम नगरियों में से एक बनाने का काम किया है। और अब जब महाकुंभ प्रयागराज के कार्यक्रम को सकुशल संपन्न करने के बाद अब हमें फुर्सत मिली है। यद्यपि यहां कार्य पहले प्रारंभ हो गए थे, लेकिन इस बार हमने बजट में विशेष प्रावधान कर दिया है। और आप आश्वस्त रहिए, बस आप आशीर्वाद देते रहिए, इंतजार करिए। जैसे अयोध्या आज सुंदरतम नगरी बन गई है, हमारा प्रयागराज सचमुच तीर्थों का राजा बनकर के चमकता हुआ दिखाई दे रहा है। दीप्यमान सूर्य की रूप में पूरी दुनिया को दिखाई दे रहा है। महाकुंभ की सफलता उसका एक उदाहरण है। जैसे काशी की कायाकल्प हुई है। आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री जी के नेतृत्व मार्गदर्शन में काशी की कायाकल्प हुई है। अयोध्या में प्रभु रामलला के 500 वर्षों के बाद विराजमान होने के अवसर पर अयोध्या को त्रेता युग की तरह फिर से सुंदरतम नगरियों में से एक बनाने का काम किया है। और अब जब महाकुंभ प्रयागराज के कार्यक्रम को सकुशल संपन्न करने के बाद अब हमें फुर्सत मिली है। यद्यपि यहां कार्य पहले प्रारंभ हो गए थे, लेकिन इस बार हमने बजट में विशेष प्रावधान कर दिया है। और आप आश्वस्त रहिए, बस आप आशीर्वाद देते रहिए, इंतजार करिए। जैसे अयोध्या आज सुंदरतम नगरी बन गई है, हमारा प्रयागराज सचमुच तीर्थों का राजा बनकर के चमकता हुआ दिखाई दे रहा है। दीप्यमान सूर्य की रूप में।
Prayers on the first Jummah of Ramzan were offered at Hazrat Bal Dargah in Srinagar. The mosque witnessed a large number of devotees who gathered to offer prayers and seek blessings during the holy month of Ramzan. The serene atmosphere at the Dargah reflected the religious significance of the day, with the devotees expressing their faith and devotion in the blessed month.
मुहम्मद व आलिहि व अस्हाबिहि अजमाइन बकर बे गुजारिश सारनी की बराबर आस्थान किस देवारस तान गि सफर जुमुआ आसि माह रमजान आसि पत यी योर यत अस नमाज तेल क्या फायदा मुहम्मद व आलिहि व अस्हाबिहि अजमाइन बकर बे गुजारिश सारनी की बराबर आस्थान किस देवारस तान गि सफर जुमुआ आसि माह रमजान आसि पत यी योर यत अस नमाज तेल क्या फायदा
A spokesperson Randir Jaiswal stated that during Prime Minister Modi's visit to the US in February 2025, both sides announced plans to negotiate a mutually beneficial multi-sector bilateral trade agreement (BTA). The comments on the industry's ministers had visited the US and met with his counterparts to advance discussions on the BTA. The two governments are working towards strengthening and deepening India-US two-way trade in goods and services. The objectives of the agreement include increasing market access, reducing tariff and non-tariff barriers, and enhancing supply chain integration between the two countries.
We had earlier also addressed and put forward our point of view, and we had said that, and again I would like to repeat, that during Prime Minister's visit to the United States in last month, that is on February 2025, both sides had announced that they will engage and negotiate a mutually beneficial multi-sector bilateral trade agreement. You would have known that Commerce Minister was visiting the United States, where he met his counterparts. The two governments are in the process of advancing discussions on a multi-sector bilateral trade agreement. And as you would have seen in a joint statement also, I would like to repeat what we had mentioned there. Our objective through the BTA is to strengthen and deepen India-US two-way trade across goods and services, increase market access, reduce tariff and non-tariff barriers, and deepen supply chain integration between the two countries. So that is how we look at the issue of tariff as far as India-US is concerned. We had earlier also addressed and put forward our point of view, and we had said that, and again I would like to repeat, that during Prime Minister's visit to the United States in last month, that is on February 2025, both sides had announced that they will engage and negotiate a mutually beneficial multi-sector bilateral trade agreement. You would have known that Commerce Minister was visiting the United States, where he met
An all-party MPs meeting will take place at Praja Bhavan on Saturday, chaired by Deputy Chief Minister Batti Vikramarka, to discuss issues pending with the central government. Chief Minister Revanth Reddy is set to attend, and Batti Vikramarka has invited Union Ministers Kishan Reddy and Bandi Sanjay to participate.